Let the good times roll. Today we're bringing the spirit of Mardi Gras to your kitchen with a stunning cake that's bursting with the colors of the season. Rich purple, vibrant green, and a sunny gold. No king cake here, but this sweet, simple treat is just as festive and full of flavor. So grab your beads, turn up the jazz, and let's get baking. Okay, for this Mardi Gras cake, our ingredients are really simple. We're going to use 1 box of white cake mix and also 1 container of white cake icing. And then I have some food coloring gel here. I'm going to pull out a green, purple, and a gold. And then I also have some Mardi Gras sprinkles, green, purple, and gold. So first step is we're going to make up our cake according to the directions. And we're going to be doing a bundt cake, so we'll follow the directions and the baking time. So just get your cake batter all mixed up. And then we're going to divide this into 3 equal portions. Once we have that into 3 equal portions, we're going to add our food coloring gel. I'm going to start with the purple. And just put you a few drops and mix it up. Next we're going with the gold. And then we'll do our green. Now I go a little heavier on these food coloring gels because as the cake bakes, the colors do get lighter. Looking good. Okay, we're going to spray our bundt pan real good with some nonstick spray. And then we're going to go in with our first color. And next we're going to go in with our yellow. This does not have to be perfect. And then just put all your green cake batter in there. Looking nice and colorful. After we get all this in, we're going to pop it in the oven according to the directions. And while that's in the oven, we're going to work on our icing. So again, with this icing, you're going to put it into 3 equal parts. And same like the batter, we're going to add a few drops of our food coloring gel to our icing and just mix it up. Looking good. Okay, our cake is ready. We're going to flip it and keep our fingers crossed. All right, it came out nicely. We're going to let this cool and then we're going to work on adding the icing once it's cool. All right, our cake is cool and I'm working on heating up the icing. You just want to heat it up for a few seconds, make it liquidy and warm. Here we are with our purple and just drizzle it on. This is going to look so pretty once we get all our bright colors on there. Doesn't have to be perfect. I just go all around the cake and make little party strings. Once we get all that on, we're going to go in with our next color. I'm going in with our gold. And same thing. We're just going to drizzle it on like artwork. This yellow really pops against the purple. Looking good. Once we get that on, we're going to move on to our third color, our green. This is really fun to make. It's a really fun cake to make. Just drizzle it on there. Look at those vibrant colors. Very nice. Okay, now we're going to top it off with our sprinkles. I've got gold, green, and purple. Just throw a little bit on there like throwing out some beads. Okay, looks nice. And here we have our beautiful Mardi Gras cake. Festive with our vibrant colors, and most of all, it tastes delicious. So here's the part you've been waiting for. Let's cut into it. Wow, look at that. Our nice swirl of colors. Our golden yellow, our green, and our purple with our festive icing. Looks delicious. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.